Hello there. To start off our journey with angles, we're going to take the angle negative 120 degrees and draw this angle in standard position. So remember that a negative angle is measured clockwise from the positive x-axis, as opposed to a positive angle that is measured counterclockwise from the positive x-axis. So to draw this angle, what we first do is start with a ray that is pointed toward the positive x-axis, and then we rotate it 120 degrees in the clockwise direction. So that is 90 degrees in the clockwise direction, and that means we need another 30 degrees. So 30 degrees is about a third of the, is exactly a third of the way into the next quadrant. So right about there seems like a good stopping point. So that is where the ray of that represents the terminal side of the angle is placed. The initial side of the angle is naturally the positive x-axis. So our angle negative 120 degrees, is the angle starting from here and going there. And if we call the angle theta, we have theta equals negative 120 degrees. And that's our angle.